How to add product filtering in Shopify. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add product filtering in your Shopify store. Now, a lot of people don't realize that by default, when you take a look at your Shopify store, the product filtering options are a bit limited. So although I can search for product over here like this, and a product is going to show up, it has some basic filtering options such as availability and price and sort by. These are all the default options that are present. However, if you're someone that has a larger catalog of products and your products are very similar, for example, you're selling makeup products and you have multiple different shades of one product that you've listed separately, or if you're selling clothing and you have multiple different styles and cuts of t-shirts or blouses, then it's really important to have a more detailed function of product filtering and product searches for your store. So the way to do this is to go into Shopify, and once you go into your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Then you're going to click on Apps and Sales Channels on the left. Once you do that, you're going to click on Shopify App Store on the top right. Now, once you've done that, you're going to go into the search function over here. And once you go into search, you're going to search for Search and Discovery. And this is a application called Shopify Search and Discovery. It's for free and it's by Shopify. So you're going to click on this particular application. You can see how this application works. Now, this is a application created by Shopify, which allows customers to have specific filters to refine their searches. You can make synonym groups, so when product descriptions match the terms that shoppers use, those products can be listed to the users. And you can add related or complementary products on your detail pages. So you're going to click on Install over here to install this application. And a new tab is going to open up when you click on Install. And in your new tab, you will see the Search and Discovery application has been installed. It might prompt you to install the application step by step as well. Now, you're going to pin this to your navigation on the left for easier access. And once you do that, you can proceed with setting up your Search and Discovery and adding up your product filters. So to get started, first off, you want to customize your filters. So you're going to click on Customize Filters, and you can add different filters. By default, availability and price are two different filters that are added. You can click on Add Filter, and you can select a source. So by default, it's going to take all of the different bits of information that has been extracted from your product, and you can label them accordingly. However, let's say I want to label things by color. And once I do that, I don't have a label for, I have a category meta field for color, and I'm going to select the filter label to be color. And you have two ways that you can select the logic of the filter, whether it includes products that match at least one buyer selection or includes products that match all buyer selections. So we're going to add the AND condition, and after that we can manage values. So if you want to include swatches, use images when available, or if you want your product filtering categories to be manual, I'm going to build manual groups over here like this. And you guys can see by default, yellow has been a group that has been added because it has been extracted from one of my products. So this is my yellow set, which has used this particular color. Now people can filter out the yellow color. Now, additionally, I would also want to, I'm going to make this automatic. I'm going to click on Done. Now I'm going to go back into my product, and you guys will see that I have one product that does not have a color added. So I'm just going to add a color in that. And in this, I'm going to add meta fields, color, and the color for this, I'm going to select as red like this, and then click on Save. Now, when I go to search and discovery in Shopify and I go into my filters right under search and discovery, click on color, these two colors have been added by default. Whenever I will add a new product and the color is going to be labeled in the category meta field, it's automatically going to show up in my product filter. Then below that, we have our search features, so we can choose product boosts as well as synonyms. So you can choose products to promote in your online store searches if there is any specific product that you're trying to promote. Let's say I'm trying to boost this product over here, and I can add products to my boost and add certain search terms like so. And let's say I want this to be book, fashion, style, trend, like this. And I can just click on save, and I can add all the specific keywords that I want to include. Then we can add synonym groups for different products or pages or articles so people that are looking for one thing can find other similar interests. For example, if I have someone that is looking for lipstick, I would add a synonym group such as lip tint to that as well. And I'm going to click on add. So now lip tint and lipstick are two synonym groups. So if you're searching for lipstick and let's say our synonym group title is lip tint, we have lipstick, lip tint, lip stain, lip ink. All of these are synonyms, and I'm going to click on save. So even if you search for either one of these terms, the products that contain a synonym term are going to show up regardless. This allows easier search. It makes it really easy for customers to find the products that they are looking for. Below that, we have recommendations. So you can add certain products for the recommendations tab, and you can add complementary products and related products. You can click on add recommendations to search for a specific product you would like to add recommendations to. So let's say for our two-piece set, I want to add the lipstick as a complementary product. Like this, or we can add it as complete the look, and then we can also add a related product. Usually complementary products are things like a complete the look where I would add the heels or the earrings, and then for the related product I would add any other product. Then below that we have our search and discovery settings, so how we want to show empty values in our filters, how we want to have our search relevance be listed. Now if I open up my Shopify store and I go ahead and search for my liquid lipstick, you guys can see that if I go on top and search for lipstick or lip tint, okay, even though I searched for lip tint, which is not a keyword included in this product, because it has the word lipstick included and lipstick and lip tint are synonyms, the product is being searched. Then additionally, if I go into my catalog and I go into filter, I can click on color and select red, and all the products that match red are going to be displayed. And in this way, you can add detailed product filtering in your Shopify store. It's really that simple and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.